At Milton Hershey School, learning skills in the classroom that apply to real-world experiences starts in elementary school. Take, for example, Mrs. Stark's second grade math class.
Math Talk Moves are ways you can use your voice and your mind to communicate to your friends what you're thinking about math.
Mrs. Stark received professional development training on Math Talk Moves as an education strategy for her classroom. With it, her goal is to provide critical thinking and problem-based learning by teaching students different hand motions and verbal techniques.
You might raise your hand and you might want to say, I'd like to add on to that, or to add on. We're going to go to reasoning. What does it mean if you're going to reason with someone?
By learning and really understanding Math Talk Moves at the beginning of the school year, these second graders can build a solid social learning foundation. And that foundation applies to their academics as well as their social and home lives. The moves also help the students show the school's sacred values, one being mutual respect.
Give me a thumbs up if you agree, give me a thumbs down if you disagree. Remember, when we are going to disagree, we're going to respectfully disagree. You can explain why they respectfully disagree.
Mrs. Stark and her students are able to work through these kinds of disagreements on math problems by practicing the moves and expressions they've learned. As for agreement, they all see that Math Talk Moves encourage engagement and collaboration.
Do I have that right?
Math Talk Moves may begin in this elementary math class, but the skills these young Spartans can continue to use throughout their entire MHS journey can't be calculated.